Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to make some fun little trifold pocket things, I'm not sure a name for them yet, out of 12 by 12 scraps out of your scrapbook paper. So who has extra scrapbook paper, like strips like this and this and this? It's like, what do you do with them? What the heck do we do with these? Well, got a solution today, and it will be fun, and I hope you enjoy it. And I watched this and learned it on the Paper Outpost, and she is great, Pam at the Paper Outpost. You guys have to go check her out. And this is just a fun little crafty idea that we could do together and use up our 12 by 12 scraps. If you guys could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share, and that would really help me out. And let's grow together, guys. Okay, let's get started. So let's pick out one. I do have a prototype here that I did. So it's just a fun little, I put a little dangle on this one. Just a little bumblebee. I thought it was kind of fun. Just a little bumblebee on the end hanging, and so that kind of closes it. And then just open it. And it's just a little trifold like this. Here, we'll move these and then we'll pick out which one we want to use. But you just have little tucks you could put in and little things that you can have. Just fun little writing things for someone. And let's see, what else do we got here? Oh, I have those in there all perfect, but and then just a little pocket down here, just to put some fun little things in. But this is perfect. I mean, it's a great way to use up your scraps, and we can put it into our journals. Yeah, I'll show you. You can either clip it into your journal. There we go. Your journal, and it fits into most journals. So let's see. You could either just go ahead and, glue it back here. I'll just leave that like that. So much easier. But or you can clip it, is kind of what I was thinking. You can take just a little clip, and then you can have it clipped into the side, and then someone can take it out, move it around, and use it, and have some fun little journaling stuff to mess with. You could glue it, but then it'd be hard to wrap this around it. There's just so many different ways that you can do it. You could stick it in a pocket if you want to, but they're really fun. And once you start making them, you got so many scraps that you could just use up. So let's get started. Okay. So what we're gonna need is, okay, I'm gonna need my cutter too. So let's pick out what paper we want to start with. I mean, you can even do little ones if you want to. But just pick out whatever size. I know they're all fun. They're all pretty fun to, it's hard to, and these are the thicker, a little bit thicker. But if you have like the thinner ones, you could go ahead and just glue two together, the same size, and make them the same size so you have them a little thicker to work with. I kind of like this one. Let's play with this one. I mean, I'm probably going to use all these up just to have them to put them into journals and stuff. But okay, I don't think I need my cutter because this is a good size. I like this size. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is turn it over. And so you have to do it however you're going to want to fold it. So I have it upside down, because when you have it upside down, it'll go right side up. So let's see, whatever you want the bottom part to be. I think that'll be fun. See, that's upside down. I guess it doesn't really matter, Because see, that'll be right side up. Okay, so go ahead and just do however you want to fold it. Just in 3 sections. So this will be the top part. So however far you want it down. can do it however you want. Go ahead and make your creases. Looks good, looks good. There's no wrong way to do this. So then you got your trifolds here. And my section in the middle is going to be a little bigger, which is fine. Okay, and then let's take our inks. I got black soot, and walnut stain. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and ink around, and I will speed this process up. So I went ahead and inked around everything. Got that looking nice. Okay, and the next thing we did, or I did, me and my little mouse in my pocket, but what we need to do here is I went ahead and stamped. I did some stamping, just some fun little autumn little leaves in the background for funsies. So I got my nice big leaf stamper. It's got different kinds on here. I think I'm gonna do a little brown. Do some walnut stain. Just wherever I want to put everything. I don't know if I want the same one. Let's do a different one. Make sure you guys can see here. Okay, and what else did I do? Just some other little leaves, just kind of scattered through. You have some coming off the page if you want. Okay, and I have these little leaves. Just some fun little, wispy little leaves. It just gives it a nice little background. I mean, we're gonna cover a bunch of it, but we know it's there. Okay, and you'll be able to see a little bit of it. So we did the background, and then you just find your little doodads that you want, your little ephemera pieces to play with. And we'll just see which ones we want to put where. So I just went ahead and did like a little belly band here, just in the middle. So he's got to glue the top here and the bottom. Just a bead of glue. Okay. And place it wherever you want. Okay. Oops. Oh, I could have inked it before I put it down. That's what I should have done. But you know what? Do we have a second? I think we got a second here. We got a second. Let's go ahead and do a little black for contrast. We can always do whatever we want. Because we are the boss of our own creativity. That is for sure. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day and getting your supplies out and crafting along with me. Getting some stuff done. Because it's fun to use up your scraps, that's for sure. So let's grab up your scraps and let's glue them down. Fold them up, glue them down, ink them up, use them up. That's always a good motto right there. And then slap them down. There we go. There, even a little rip right there. That's cool, that's cool. Makes it look a little more vintage. That's what we're going for, that's what we're going for. Okay, so you got that one. And then you're gonna wanna do, or you can do this however you want, but I'm just showing you how I did these. So we can do a little, see, you can even do a little corner tuck. That'd be kind of fun. Like, I did the circle tuck up here, but what if we went down here and just glued and did a little corner tuck. That could be fun. So you can switch it up however you want to do it. However the mood hits you. So, oh, yeah, we're getting there. And you guys can see this. So I just want this part's glued. So just do a little L shape. Like that. Okay. And we got that one done. And then the top. We could just do just a little pocket. I mean, we could do this, and we could just glue the bottom and make it like a little tuck right there. I think I just threw my lid away in my trash. Okay, let's ink it, but I think that would be cute. Yeah, let's get it all inked. And then let's just do that. That'll work. Let's do the bottom. Okay. Now, let's see what fun stuff we want to put in. And these are little stickers. They're really cute. Got some stuff sticking out. Let's see. Will this fit up here? Or do here? Let's do a bigger one. No, I have more things. I mean, this is a little cutout that I did. Oh, but we can go ahead and, I mean, you can put whatever. This is just a little piece I cut from this one right here for a little pocket. Let's stick it in there. But you can put whatever you want in, and let's just use these. Because these are fun just to kind of, I like it even sticking out the side. They're kind of fun. And they're nice little journaling cards on the back. So you just want to make it look aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Just for funsies. And we can even stick a little more in here. Just when someone opens it, they're like, ooh, what's inside there? Something fun. Okay, hold on just a second. I think the mailman pulled up. All right, so where were we? We got all of it put in, and you can arrange these however you want. So let's see. It's the top. See, it depends. You don't want nothing that's gonna slip out, but it should all stay in there pretty good. Oh, I did it all upside down. Wow. Okay. That's hilarious. I did not mean to do everything upside down. Well, that's okay. You know what? You could do it however you want. This side doesn't really matter. But you know, when it's all together like that, it doesn't really matter. And we could put a little surprise right here. There's an idea. There's a grand idea. I mean, we could do something fun here. Hold on, let me go find something. So I went and grabbed a bunch of papers here. And I'm thinking this would look cool. So I was trying to see what other fun little doodads would fit there, but I think that one's going to be the one. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So I think that's a good little fit if we just kind of do this. See, we can fix any mistake that we do. No problem. No, nobody's even gonna know that it was upside down. Yeah, because the front doesn't even, that top part, I mean, you can't even tell. So let's just go ahead and ink around it. And I kind of like this better. That's fun. You know, we could even do some fun little, we could do some little zigzaggy or just add a little bit of something to it. Try to line it up. That's the hardest part, is trying to line it up where you had it before. There we go. Well, these aren't the best, huh? Wow. And then you gotta take your other scissors to, those are brand new and they're not doing that good of a cut job. Alright, let's do it on the sides here. There we go. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's just me. So that's kind of fun. Well, might as well do the whole thing. There we go. I just have to give it some oomph. Whoa. There. Not too bad. Okay. Let's give it a little bit of something. Okay. There we go. I like that. So that's pretty fun. Okay. You know, I'm thinking let's just use our glue stick. I usually have a little gluey, something I can. Don't get glue everywhere. Just a little scrap piece here. Not a bad idea. Okay. So get the edges really good. And this is the Scotch Create glue stick. It works really good. And this is the E6000 Fabric Fuse. So those are the glues that I use, and they seem to work pretty good. No complaints so far from the peanut gallery. Okay. Get it lined up. There. What do you guys think of that? That's not bad. I think I like that better. So sometimes, you know, when you make mistakes, you just roll with the punches and find some fun new ideas to go with. Yeah. So I hope this is inspiring to you guys and get your creative juices flowing to have you guys use up your 12x12s, and it's a great way to use them up. So I'm not done yet though. I want to go ahead and put a tie on it. So let's go ahead, and this is the crocodile. It's not the big bite, it's just the crocodile. And I had a plan, so I'm gonna do this. And I think I want to put a little a little dangler off of it. Just a little dangly piece. So let's see, how do we incorporate all that? Let's make it happen. So I'm gonna do the 3/16, just the top part here. And we'll go ahead. I don't want to clip those. And just kind of find the middle where you want it. There you go. I'll stick our eyelet in here. And then you're going to take the top part, the pokey part, through the top, and then the flat saucer part through the bottom. Just to flatten it out. Give it a squeeze. Sometimes you gotta give it a better squeeze. There we go. Just make sure it's gonna stay. All right, so we got that happening. We got that together like that. And it comes off, it's just a little clip on it. So it could be removed if anybody wants to remove it. So we got that, and then I'm thinking let's just, I had one over here. Just to close it shut, you can just do your little clip. And I should kind of clip it in here. Just clip it up to the top. Just wherever you could think you could fit it. So that's kind of fun. And then you got your little dangler, and then you can just take it off and wow, I just threw that across the room. And then you can just open it and check out what's inside of it. So we can put these back in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, got your creative juices flowing and help you use up some of your extra scrap papers and see what creative things you guys can do to make these. And please, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you get to my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together, guys. And keep on crafting. And have a great day. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you guys is I wanted to do a fun little pocket on the front right here. So let's do that really quick. And I thought this would be fun. I was just gonna rip around this and kind of do just a little pocket to have stuff tucked in the front. So let's just do this. Do a little tearing here. And we'll have to tear it to size. To see what's gonna fit. I just thought this would be a fun little front part of it. Okay. And maybe we could do a little ink or a little ripping right here. Try to keep some of the words. Okay. This is just a fun little extra thing I thought of at the, it just seemed like it needed something right there. So I figured we'll just do this really quick. But I know there's always things you want to keep adding. It's like, I can add more, I can add more. Okay, so let's make sure it's right side up. I'm just gonna make a little pocket out of it. There's so many things you can just keep going, you know. Okay. pocket. Pretty good fit. Okay. And just some stuff to throw in there. This is a sticker of some really neat fall stuff. So that's fun. So just whatever you guys can find. And then this can be just right at the front. Just fun little things for everybody to find when they open their journal. Little pieces to play with. And that's what it's all about. So I just wanted to show you guys this part really quick, just so you guys have this idea to do. And voila. So that's kind of fast and just something extra to add to it. And this is what we got here. Make sure you guys can see it. We got a little dangler here. Got our pocket. And then hopefully it's in there. You can flip it like that. And you got that pocket. Stuff in the middle. And then all the stuff in the bottom. Okay, that was the last thing I wanted to show you guys. And thanks again.